Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of Adama Script. In this lesson, we were going to learn about making a chatbot. So what is a chatbot? A chatbot is a character or a bot that can talk to us. You've probably seen Talking Tom or Angela. Now, we will create our own version and we will name her Tera. And as you can see on the background, it's the background of Moon. She is from Moon, okay? So before we proceed further, we want to decide on its personality. Okay, so what would be the name of your new friend? Where would he or she live? Is it going to be happy, serious, funny, shy, or friendly? Right? So once you've decided this, let's go to our IDE. So by default, you will see the monkey sprite. We will right click it, and then we will delete it. Now we need to add in our character. So just go to the sprite menu and come to space. Here you can see Tera, and then we'll press OK. And we can add in a background from here as well by going to the backdrop library and press space, and then you can see Moon over here. You can add another one as well, but we will make Tera move to somewhere else as well. So when you press the character, it just brings up the costumes tab. Now it is almost done, but we need to save the project before we move further. So we can just say chatbot my friend or something, chatbot. And once you save it, the name will appear here. Now what we want to do is, whenever you press her, we want her to do something, right? We want her to talk to us. So when this sprite is clicked, so first thing is she's going to ask you something. So she's going to say, this ask block from the sensing block, she's going to say, hi, what's your name? And she'll wait, okay? And let's test it out. So whenever you press, she asks you, hi, what's your name? So you can say your name. So let's say Andy. Okay, so nothing is happening anymore. She'll just wait, right? So we need to add in some other code. So say hello. She's gonna say hello for 2 seconds, okay? So now what this program does is it asks you what exactly is your name, okay? And she's gonna say, rather than first thing is she's gonna say hi, what's your name? And then she's gonna ask you, she's gonna tell you what a lovely name. So let's test it out. Hi, what's your name? So I'm gonna say Mahadi, that's my name, and press enter. She's gonna say, what a lovely name. Wow, we're already a couple of steps on making up our chatbot. Now, our chatbot is just saying, what a lovely name, but we want her to say hello to you as well. Okay, so how can we do that? First of all, we can add in a block saying, getting an operator here, and bringing in this join hello world, and we have an answer that is saved over here, right? So you can drag this answer block. So whatever your answer is saved here temporarily, okay? Now we want to get another look say block. So say this for some second, okay? So we will get this one and we will bring it inside it. So hello and then your name. And after that, she's gonna say, what a lovely name. Hello, what a lovely name. Okay, so let's test it out. Hi, what's your name? I can say my name is Mahadi and press enter. And she says, hello Mahadi, nice. What a lovely name. Wow, thank you Tera. You like my name. Now, what we would want to do is we want to save the name for future use, okay? So we can, create a variable called name, so that every time afterwards your chatbot is using your name, so you can go to data and blocks and press make a variable and press OK. So once you do that, your name is saved here, right? So what you can do is you bring in this block and go to sensing and set name to answer. Okay, so what it does is it saves the name, and we can drag in between them, and then we have this, and this line we can just say my name is Tera. You can name your character whatever you want, okay? So let's test the program again. So whenever you press her, she says, hi, what's your name? You can say Mahadi, and then, hello Mahadi, my name is Tera. Wow, our name is saved on the corner, as you can see in the left here, right? So if you'd like to see whatever you've answered, you can just go to the sensing tab and press here tick mark just beside the answer, so it will show up. So you see both of these are same, so your answer is saved. Now, if you don't want to see it, you can just press off this tick. And now we need to save the project again. So once you save it, you can make it more challenging by adding more questions and adding answers. Now on step 3, what we want to do is we want to add some decisions, okay? So we can program our chatbot to decide what to do based on the user's responses. Okay, so how can we do that? So let's get our chatbot to ask us a question which has a yes or no answer. Here is an example. Okay, so let's add in some block by asking us. So add in ask here, and then we can say add in another join block. Okay, and we can ask here, what should we ask? Are you okay? And then we can add in a name block. Do you remember? So she's gonna tell you, are you okay? And she's gonna ask you at the end. Okay. Now let's test it out quickly. Hi, what's your name? I will say Mahadi. No, let's change the name to Barry right now. Now she's gonna say, hello Barry, my name's Tera. Are you okay, Barry? I'll say yes. Right now nothing's happening because our program is finished just by asking the name and not doing anything. So to do something we have to add in if else statements. Okay, so if then. So let's get this block and add it here. Now we can add an operator block from here where it says if answer is equal to this or that. Okay, so we can go to the sensing block again and get the answer if answer equals to yes. Okay, so if you write yes, then we will do something. If you write no, then we will say something else as well. So let's go to the hello block and say, if you say yes, we will say that's great to hear. But if you say no, we will not do anything right now. So till this part, let's test it out. Hi, what's your name? Tara is asking me, so I can just say, let's just say Bianca. Okay, Bianca. So once you say Bianca, she says hello Bianca, and then she's gonna ask you, she'll tell you my name is Barry. Sorry Bianca, and are you okay Bianca? So we can say yes. Once you say yes, she's gonna say reply, that's great to hear. But if you say no, nothing is gonna happen. Let's test it out. So Bianca, hello Bianca. Are you okay Bianca? We're gonna say no this time. You see, nothing is happening because we haven't programmed it to be saying anything. So for that purpose, we need a if else block. So go to the control, and you see there's this block, not only the if block, so we can just exchange everything in this one, okay, and delete this one, and bring in the that's great to hear block here. And otherwise, if you say something else, if you say no or whatever, we can just duplicate this block and put it here. So we can say, I am sorry to hear that. And let's test it out again. So you can say, hi, my name is Bianca. Hello, Bianca. And she says, my name is Tara. Are you okay, Bianca? You're gonna say no this time. She says, I'm sorry to hear that. Oh, she's such a nice friend, isn't it? Yes, I already like Tara. She's amazing. Now, we're going to ask her something more. We're going to ask her, like, we're going to make Tera add another block and ask you something else, like, oh no, did anybody said anything to you? Okay, so when you add this block, what happens is she's gonna ask you a repeat question, okay, and then we will change her costume. So let's go back to the costume things. You see there are a couple of costumes where she's happy, where she's angry, right? So now we want to change the costume to switch D, so that, you know, every time she hears something bad about you, basically somebody you know, tells you something, she's angry at this time. So we will just switch costume to this, okay? And after this whole thing is over, we want to switch the costume back to the first one, A. So let's test it out now again. So you click her. Okay, let me check the costume A. Okay, A is a happy one. Script. Okay, in the starting she is happy, so we can just say my name is Mahadi this time. Hello Mahadi, she asked me my name. My name is Tara. And then she's asking me, am I okay? I will say yes. She's saying that's great to hear. Now we'll test it again, but with the other one, with no. So we can say my name is Mahadi. Oops, that's all right. My name is Tera. Okay, Tera, nice to meet you. Are you okay, Mahai? No, I'll just say no. She's gonna say, I'm sorry to hear that. And then she, oh no, did anybody say anything to you? And then, you know, let's get rid of this one. So she changed her face to angry face, okay? Now, before we proceed further, we will save this project quickly, and we will change her location and make her ask you something, okay? And get an answer. So what can we do? So we can add another backdrop from here. And what we can do is we can go to space and then add in space here. So once you add in space, we will have another background, as you can see here, right? So right now we'll just choose the moon and we'll come back. And once you come here, now we want her to ask you if you want to be going somewhere else or not, okay? So ask after, do you want to go to space with me? Do you want to go to space with me? And wait. If you reply, if your answer is yes, so let me just quickly duplicate this block here and add in this block. Or actually, rather than doing this whole thing, we can just delete this block and make her ask a question right after, whenever you're happy, okay? So what do you want to do? You want to be adding this block inside here. After that's great to hear, okay? If you say yes, now she's gonna be like asking you if you want to go to space or not with her. So go to the control block and get if then, okay? So add in if then inside it, and we will duplicate this block quickly, and if the answer, sorry, we need to duplicate the whole block. So let's delete this. If the answer equals to yes to the question, do you want to go space with me, what you want to do is you want to switch the costume, okay? Switch the backdrop to space. All right, now let's test this part again. So, hi, what's your name? Mahadi. Hello, Mahadi. My name is Tera. Are you okay, Mahadi? I will say yes. And then she's gonna say, that's great to hear. And then she's asking you, do you want to go to space with me? I will say yes again. And now, wow, look, the background has changed. We're in space. Amazing, isn't it? So we will save the project, and that's how you can create your own chatbot. It's a beautiful one. It's an amazing one. If you want to, if you prefer the reading version, you can come to our site and go to AdamaScript and go at your alien friend Tera. And then once you come to the page, you can come to the bottom of it. You can see there's a PDF version. All right. So thank you guys for watching. We hope you're gonna have a great day, and stay tuned for the next one.